To set up to take a photo with a DSLR camera, you first need to make sure that the camera is not damaged or dirty. Try to look down the lens or preview a photo to see if there's any other spots or marks. Before you're ready, you'll need your camera, tripod, SD card, battery, and camera case. The next step is about learning just how to use the DSLR. It's a good idea to refer to the user manual and read about the important steps.
Seen to live on the road, looking like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros. Music for the people, I used to rap on the train.
If you've had a light flick through the manual and you know what you're doing, or you feel like you know what you're doing, we're ready to turn on the camera now. Locate to the right hand side of the camera, right next to the dial to see the options, and flick it to the middle section, which is the on switch, to take a photo. The screen should come on at this point.
With the folks around me, get from around me before we commence the clowning. Yeah, keep it on the level, yeah, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. Let's get at 'em.
Once your camera's on, it's time to put it on the setting that's appropriate to the photo you're taking. For a regular photo, similar to what you get on a smartphone, switch to the auto setting, which has the green A+ symbol on the dial. When taking your photo, try to make sure that your subject is in the middle of the frame, similar to these photos as shown on the screen. If you can't get your subject in the middle of the frame, try to use the rule of thirds. The most important part to any camera shot is lighting. When you're taking a photo, you need to adjust the aperture or the shutter speed to either make sure your photo isn't too dark or too bright. Either one of these can drastically ruin a photo. Once all the steps are completed, you're now ready to take your photo with your DSLR.